In this video, we will demonstrate some of our fabrication processes for stainless steel. We have specialized industrial-grade laser cutting machines that can produce precision steel parts in a wide range of shapes and sizes. Laser cutting ensures the parts are accurately made and have good edge finishing. CNC punching is another way to produce steel parts with complex patterns. Our CNC punch press machines make use of a range of punching tools to create holes or patterns on sheet metal with excellent precision and efficiency. Stainless steel is much harder to bend than other alloys. We use computer-controlled bending machines to accurately bend steel parts. This can help eliminating human errors and greatly improve production efficiency. The use of robot welding machines can speed up production and help reduce human errors and labor costs. The high-quality welds produced by robots also ensure structural integrity of our steel parts. Omnidex has a successful track record of producing various stainless steel products on different production scales for clients around the globe. Feel free to contact us and discuss how we may help you with your next project. Thank you for watching. Check out other casting processes on our channel.